From external influences. In the production of highly efficient dosing and portioning solutions for liquids and other difficult to separate ingredients with minimal spillage and waste. After being cooled and carefully packaged, the cheese fibers are ready to be delivered to consumers, contributing to the decoration of delicious dishes. Leonhardt's SD series of dosing solutions are specifically designed for low-moisture adhesive products. This product group is difficult to process and is often done manually. Do you want breaded chicken as delicious as a restaurant? The secret lies in the cabin plant multi-head weighing system. With shaking technology, this system helps evenly coat each piece of chicken with spices, ensuring perfect deliciousness. Purple sticky rice with its characteristic purple color, conveniently packaged, is a perfect choice for a quick, nutritious meal. Fragrant sticky rice grains blend with a delicate flavor. Dividing products with high moisture content wet and sticky often presents many difficulties in ensuring quantitative accuracy. If dividing manually, it will be difficult to ensure fairness for each division. Lasagnate is a type of Italian pasta with a neat and generous shape. They are often used in steamed or grilled pasta dishes, often prepared with tomato sauce, meat, cheese and vegetables to create delicious and nutritious dishes. A food creator is someone who is creative and passionate about researching, developing and testing new ideas to create unique and delicious dishes. Subdued those dishes stimulate your taste buds. Yogurt packaging machine is an important part of the automatic yogurt production process. This technology not only helps increase production efficiency, but also ensures food safety and hygiene and accuracy in product packaging. Yogurt packaging machines are often designed to automatically measure, fill and pack yogurt into bags or boxes with high accuracy. This process is done quickly and accurately, saving time and labor compared to manual packaging. This helps create yogurt products with uniform shape and ensures absorbency. Instructions when displayed on store shelves. The automatic cellophane making line for cookies is a modern piece of equipment in the food industry, helping to effectively enhance the packaging and preservation process of cookies. This equipment is often designed to automatically carry out the process of packaging cookies into paper bags or cellophane bags automatically and quickly. The machine uses sensors and control systems to ensure the packaging process is accurate and stable. This enhances production efficiency and reduces the labor required for the packaging process. Standing in front of the complete cheesecake cutting line, you can't help but be amazed by its automation and efficiency. With delicate and attractive cheese wheels neatly arranged on the conveyor belt, the cutting machine operates powerfully and precisely. Each slice is cut with uniformity and precision. Each wheel of cheese is cut and packed automatically and uniformly, creating final products of consistent shape and size. This is not just a cheesecake cutting system, but also a complete automated production process, from raw material preparation to final product packaging. The Mangosteen sorting line is not only a conventional production system, but also a symbol of care and high quality in the production process. Looking at the diverse and uniform product line of Mangosteens as they are run through the line, we can feel the care and professionalism in every step of the production process. This Mangosteen classification system not only helps eliminate substandard products, but also helps increase production efficiency and save time. The attraction of the long red peppers on the line will make you unable to help but be fascinated by their efficiency.